At Healthcare Partners Medical Group, our mission is to provide the highest quality of healthcare to each and every patient. With 5 locations in Pahrump, we are local doctors you know and trust. We want to thank you for choosing us. Quality care starts here.
The most common type of skin cancer is one that's called basal cell carcinoma. That one, a lot of times, as far as a bump, what it would look like is it's almost kind of pearly or shiny in color. But if you're looking at something more like an atypical mole or a melanoma, what I usually tell people is to remember the A, B, C, D, E's. A being asymmetrical, something that's benign, if you fold it in half, should line up. If it's asymmetrical, it'll be off. B is the border. You should be able to tell very sharply where the lesion stops and where your normal skin is at. In an atypical mole or melanoma, sometimes it kind of fades into the sunset and you can't quite tell where one stops and the other starts. C is the color. In general, the colors should be very uniform. If you're seeing all different colors, dark, light, blue, red, those are some things to worry about. D is the diameter, once it starts getting bigger than a pencil eraser. And then E is for evolving, and that was kind of what I was hitting on before, as far as is it something that's changing, or if it's been there for 30 years and hasn't changed at all, then that's a more reassuring sign, rather than if all of a sudden it's been growing, itching, bleeding, crusting. Those are things you need to worry about.
So if we've noticed anything on our skin, how do we make an appointment?
Sure. Well, certainly you can call the health. We have healthcare partners here in Pahrump, and I come out here every other Wednesday. Or there's also a clinic that I'm at in Vegas as well. The number there is 702-862-8226. And if you call that number, they can actually also help with making appointments here in Pahrump as well.